Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Friday. Another strong day today. We end the week pretty good, honestly. I think I'm up like a grand on the week, which is super dope. And I only took two trades today because this week has been really tough for me mentally. Just trying to wrap up things um, and waking up has been pretty tough recently, to be completely honest. Um, So let's just talk about it. So LAWR, very simple. It was spiking up above the pre-market resistance. Not a ton of volume, but obviously exceeding. And then I took the short, sniped the top, was out basically immediately. This one faded, so could have held, but obviously didn't, which is fine. But you see there, just short kind of reversion. Um, and I feel like as I'm like doing these recaps, I'm realizing how much I'm leaving on the table with my kind of strategy, and I wonder if I should make an adjustment to capture the whole move. But I don't know. I think this works for me, and it's completely fine for me to do it the way I'm doing it. We'll see here that MEIP, same sort of deal. I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll in here so we get all of the action. So you see here, we had this like huge candle and then we had that wick. So I wanted to short close to that when I saw slowing momentum. But I actually would have gotten stopped out of this. Um, but given we had massive bars up, basically from $4.35 to $10, right? In 2 bars, I was like, I'm gonna fire a second bullet, and I did, and it basically corrected right afterwards. So I sold my second entry a bit lower and sold this one for a slight loss into this sort of dump. But I definitely wanted to hold a little bit more, but I figured it's whatever. So I closed $78. If this went through my standard like stop loss kind of deal, um, I would have lost, I think, $70. I would have had a $200 loss, $130 win, or maybe $160 win. So $40 loss. So got like an extra $100 there um, by holding. So yeah, um, those were the only trades I took. I've been trying to just keep it light. So in the prior video, I was like, I wonder what my trade distribution looks like and um, how I can kind of adjust. And I talk about how my average trade is $12, but the standard deviation is really high. So knowing this standard deviation and this trade, my basically like out of the, let's see how many trades I've taken, probably like 100 at this point. I think it looks like 75 winning trades, 34 losing trades. So basically, my probability curve, it looks like this right now, where this is dollar 12. This is 12 plus, let's see, 144, and then this is 12 minus 144, and this is like my loss. This is my standard like average, and then this is my win day. Um, so if I take any given trade, I should make money, which is good. And this is pretty solid after, even after like commissions. If we look at like maybe my average volume, I don't know if it's in here, average daily volume. I think that my commission is like 0.0002 cents or something. So let's see, 10,000. So it's $2 in commissions. Say I locate my locate fees on a given day or on a given trade are under $1. So I'm netting like $9 a trade, which is really good. Obviously, you want that number to be positive, but the more positive it is, the better. But because of my standard deviation here, I obviously want this to be less, but it makes sense. And yeah, so anytime that I've, having a day that's kind of in this space of back-to-back wins, I think calling it a day there is completely fine. So being up today, $222.69 on 1,000 shares traded. Honestly, that's pretty fucking good. So yeah, that's good, and I'm thinking of scaling up soon. We'll see. I don't know. I think I need to. I think the next step for me is knowing when to scale up. So during these times when market is hot and it's working, do I actively scale up? And when it's not working, do I scale down? Kind of how do I optimize my bets, right? So I'll be kind of thinking about that this weekend, and as of now, I'm probably gonna adjust to risk a little more, maybe $250 instead of 200, and so that I could squeeze out some more profits and sort of slowly start scaling up. So yeah, ended the week really strong, up $1,200. Given these first 2 weeks, this is a pretty solid week, and want to continue this momentum. I'm happy yesterday wasn't a crazy loss, but obviously I would have liked yesterday to be a green day too. It looks like Thursdays has a little bit of a trend here, but hopefully we could turn that green. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a good weekend, and hope everyone uh, has good karma, good traits coming their way. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.